Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. It's funner time. So let's tell someone I love you very much. So let's get started. To draw this sweet drawing, let's first start by drawing the top of our big strawberry. So I'm just going to come right here and just give myself a point, and this is going to be my center, and I'm going to go up on both sides right there, and kind of at an angle just to make it a little bit more whimsical. And I'm just going to bring this down to draw the leafy part of our strawberry, kind of like, maybe I'm just going to call it the crown or the hair, right? So let's bring this down and just have fun with this. Hope this drawing inspires you. There's really no wrong way to draw this. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a simple little crown right here at the top, and then let's come to the top right here. We're just going to draw a stem. Just bring this out and right back in. Then from there, I'm going to come to the side right here, and we're going to start to draw the body of our strawberry. So just make this a little bit wider out here and here as well. So as you know, there's so many different shapes of strawberries that you can't go wrong no matter what you draw. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this down. And let's see here. I have a small strawberry I need to draw, and I wanted to put it right here next to this big one. So before I finish that, I'm just going to come about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just turn my body. So I have this round curve, and I'm going to put a little strawberry right here. So this is the top. So it's definitely at an angle. So definitely make sure you're turning your body so it's a little bit easier to draw. And now I'm just going to go ahead and bring this down. It's a little bit wider right here. And then we're just going to get thinner as we come down and round it off. And round off the bottom for a very simple shaped strawberry. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and whatever space you have left, just finish off the big one. So once again, just remember this is your angle. So let's bring this down. And aiming towards the center, so say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a tentative point so I know where I'm going, since we're not drawing straight on. So I'll end it a little bit, about the same level, I guess, or a little bit higher. Doesn't really matter. And then about right here, let's go back up. There, so one big strawberry and a small little one. So let's draw the crown of this strawberry. So I'm going to come to the center, which is about right here, and I'm going to go up. And so this one comes up just to make it a little bit more fun. And same thing here. And then let's draw a little stem once again. And in. There. Now to bring this to life, let's work on this big one here, the mom one, right? So I'm going to come about right here, or for whoever you want to draw this for, that you want to tell them that you love them very much, or you are very amazing, or it's just, you could say anything you want in this pun art, right? Because we're just using berry as very, so it could be anything really. So we have these two happy eyes, and let's come in between. And we're just going to draw a very sweet smile. And let's come above each eye. There. And, well, you know what? Let's open this mouth up. Why not? Mom is very happy. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to come right here and draw a little flower, since this was inspired by Mother's Day. There. So if you want this strawberry here to be your mom, just put a big strawberry flower right there. And then for the little one right here, let's come closer to this edge. We're going to come about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle. And I'll put a little highlight since I'm drawing big enough. Come right across about right here. So we definitely want it more towards this edge. Right there. Little curve above each eye, and then of course a smile, and cap it off. There. And then let's see here. Now let's draw some hands, right? So let's come about right here. I'm gonna give myself a little curve, and I'll bring a curve out. And then one about right here for the mom one. And let's go ahead and we're going to, let's see here, how can we do this? Just gonna come here and draw a big oval right next to it. Thicken it up. So then about right here, go ahead and draw a curve to connect. There. Mom's holding little baby's hand, right? There. And that is pretty much it for the strawberry drawing part. And I'm going to add a heart right here to make it extra sweet and make it my draw so cute. I love you very much pun art. And I'm going to come right here. And so like I said, if you want to draw this for mom, I'm just going to come right here and draw a speech bubble. Right here, and let's write the word mom. Thinking maybe I should make it a heart. What do you think? Oh, we'll just make it simple. Just an O then. And so I just went in here and just thicken up some of the parts, just spruce it up. And so let's write the pun, which is I love you very much. So I'll just start about right here and just quickly write I. And we want much to be about right here. So let's just wing it and see. I'll fancy up the V. Love and the U. I'm still going straight, and very much. So as you get to the end, if you need more space, less space, just adjust your letters and make it wider or thinner. So, okay, about right here. There. Now that I've written my words out, I'm just going to come in here and spruce them up and thicken up certain parts. So it just makes it a lot easier to write your words without having to have a fancy calligraphy pen. So just some parts, just pick maybe the downward strokes. You can make it thicker. All the strokes going down. So hopefully I've been helping you cuties with your calligraphy without having to buy any fancy calligraphy pens. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you love how this turned out, and that inspires you to draw this for someone that you love very much. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.